Hey folks, welcome to World of Coders. In this bite-sized 5-minute Python tutorial, we will be covering the essentials that will turn you into a Python programmer without putting you into sleep. First things first, you will need Python on your machine. Go to python.org, download it, and follow the prompts, and then check if it is properly installed. If you are too cool for downloads, we have got various online playgrounds for you. No installation stress. Let's kick off with the classic Hello World program. Open your code editor or use an online one and type this beauty. This is every coder's humble beginning. Python is like a multilingual genius, by which I simply mean that we don't need to specify data type. Let's get to know its very simplistic variable declarations. Feeling decisive? Python's if statement is your helper buddy. Repetition is the key, and Python got the for loop for this. Never forget to indent when there is more than one line inside the loop or conditional. Lists are like multi-purpose storage tools of Python. Let's create one and modify it. If you know C programming, try to spot the difference between arrays used in C and lists used in Python. Functions are the magical recipe books. Once you create one, you can use the same delicious code without reciting the recipe each time. Here is a simple add function. Never forget to indent when there is more than one line. The treasure of Python is its ton of useful and interesting libraries. Check out Math Library. Time to look into the exciting realm of artificial intelligence. Machines getting brains. Based on what I have seen till now, more than half the AI/ML industry is using Python. Here is a sample example where Python teams up with TensorFlow to recognize cats and dogs from images. It's like teaching those pet tricks to your computer. Even if you have started your journey today, there is a high possibility of you writing this kind of code if you dedicated a month or two. Time to wrap it up with simple code snippet to calculate the area of circle. Congrats, you are now a Python explorer like me. Keep coding and explore further with these top-notch resources. Beginners should start with W3 schools. Lead Code is a good place to reside for champions of competitive programming. AI/ML enthusiasts use Kaggle very often. And Geeks for Geeks is your buddy for job preparation. Stay curious, keep coding, and remember, it's all about having fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the coding vibes. Until next time, happy coding, fellow coders.